Now we are going to go on to scalar multiplication. So if I define a free vector v and k, a real number in R, then we will define scalar multiplication as k multiplied by v. And since this is a free vector, then we need to define its length and its direction. So the length of this would be mod k v, which is mod k mod v. And the direction, to do the direction we have to look at when k is 0, when k is less than 0, and when k is more than 0. Okay, so when k is equal to 0, mod k mod v is equal to 0, since 0 multiplied by any length that v is going to give you 0. Matter of fact, when v is equal to 0, this holds true as well. Since if v is 0, then whatever k is also going to make it equal to 0. And the only thing that has a length of 0 is the 0 vector. So this implies that kv is the 0 vector. When k is more than 0, then kv has a length of mod k mod v, which is just a scalar multiple, which is just a multiple of whatever length v is. Kv, since it's more than 0, would be in the same direction as v. Now when k is less than 0, mod k mod v, since we're taking the absolute value, this is going to be positive. It'll just be the same as k more than 0. It'll be a scalar multiple of whatever the length of v is. However, kv would be in the opposite direction of v. Now that was kind of faster than I expected, so I think we can prove some of the properties of scalar multiplication, the really simple ones in this part. So 0v, this is just when k is equal to 0, and k0, this is just when v is equal to 0, and 1v is equal to v. If we take the modular, if we just look at the direction first of all, since k is more than 0 in this situation, then 1v is in the same direction as v. If we then take the length of this vector, then we are multiplying the number 1 multiplied by another number. So that's just mod v. And it's in the same direction as v, it has the same length as v, which means that 1v must equal to v. The last simple one is minus 1v is equal to minus v, and this uses the same concept as the previous one. Minus 1v will be in the opposite direction to v. However, when we take the modulus sign of the minus 1, it will become positive 1, so it will just be mod v. And the vector that's in the opposite direction to v, but has the same length as v, is minus v by the vector negation definition.